Dude, welcome to Beater Bash. Oh, shit. Alright, dude. We gotta take you to the car.
Okay. Can you see the sign? Okay.
Oh, yeah. I'm following a strange man. I'm following a strange man with the sign. I'm like, okay, so this has gotta be me. Weird shit happens here. What did I get myself into? What did I get myself into? Oh my gosh. Oh shit. Oh gosh, look at these two. Oh man, it's gonna be one crazy weekend. Are you serious?
Yeah.
No, you're lying.
No, I'm not.
I can have a beer in the back seat?
Yeah.
No fucking way. You guys are fucking lying.
No, I don't think it's legal.
You just can't drive and drink.
Yeah, that's right.
But passengers can. Woo! America!
Erica.
My name is Last America. Okay guys, good morning again. Actually, it's good afternoon now in Arkansas. I didn't vlog much in the airport because I was kind of shy about vlogging in front of people, but right when we landed, I greeted by these guys. Is that Evan Shanks' picture right there?
Yeah.
Oh god.
We're gonna see him in about half an hour.
And this is apparently the tuna crate mobile right here. I'm sitting next to Bay. What's up, Bay? Right here. Open container state? You guys are liars. Oh, and it's cold. Are you serious?
I think so. What do you think all those empty beer cans on the floor?
Jeez.
Way fucking better.
All right, you guys made it out of here. You have a good one.
Beer for you. Beer for me. Ooh.
Cheers.
Cheers. Beater Bash. Espresso. What is this?
Literally did all this stuff to his car, didn't have enough time.
God, is this a bottle of piss?
No.
Didn't have enough time
That's
to take off the...
Oh, party.
Absolutely.
Oh my gosh.
I don't like you anymore. This was a nice.
Yeah.
It was like.
You got child lock?
It's the thing's just bulky.
Great to see you. Hi. Oh my gosh. What happened?
I know, look at that. I was like, oh my god.
Thanks, man.
Evan Shanks over here. Look at this.
Oh my
This is
God.
Evan's ride. Dude, there's a limo with a spoiler. Oh my gosh. Pass Uber inspection for sure. Look at this thing. Anyone want to go to prom? I'll take you. It has this weird smell inside.
I don't know what that.
Oh, this is weird.
Yeah.
Smells like regret.
We bought it. You're not buying it.
Right here. So this is what people do in Arkansas.
Welcome to Arkansas.
I like it. You guys need any mods, come here. Look at Evan's car. Oh my gosh. He's got a permanent sunroof. Woo! I like this. This is nice. Got no rear view mirror. Awesome. This thing purrs. My rear view mirror real quick. Oh man. I can't even see out of the windshield. What the fuck? This car has a weird smell. I'm getting a lot of people staring at me. This thing has no power. I'm flooring it right now. Woohoo! 40 miles per hour, baby! America!
My bad. Hey!
That was fucking insane. Oh shit. Oh fuck, we're gonna get so much trouble this weekend. Look at this bad boy right here. Woo. Damn, okay, hold on. Wow, look at this. Fancy. The interior is really nice. How's it going?
Steven, man.
Nice to meet you. I like this is my favorite right here. Are they operational? Oh, okay. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, here we are. I know. It's here. Welcome to Beater Bash. Oh shit. Arkansas is fucking lit. Super Bowl. I'm gonna hug this big black man right here. I'm gonna hug this big black man.
Oh shit, what's up, bro? Dude, what's good?
Tagging cars these days?
Yeah, I was about to say, since last year they did
My car
that.
with chrome?
Arkansas is insane, by the way. What are you doing?
Made custom 22s, man.
Let me see. Let me see.
Check it.
Is that chrome?
Oh yeah.
Did you just do chrome?
Chrome.
Yeah.
Spray up, spray them on. You don't like your 15s? Make them 22s with this.
There we go. How-to videos. What's going on? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh! Oh fuck. Hey guys, just a reminder, the Beater Bash hasn't started yet. It's tomorrow. It's moving! Oh! Oh god. Oh god, it's over. Hi, Evan.
What'd you do?
I don't know. What happened? I don't know.
That is went mirror.
I found Asian people. It's all Vietnamese?
Yeah.
Except, what are you?
I'm Valentine.
Oh, cool, cool, cool.
I was
Say
cold.
hi.
Hi, what's up?
What's your name?
Tylee.
Okay, what's your name?
Tia.
Okay, okay, cool. Hey, man. Oh my gosh. They got the hustle and grind banner. What's up, dude? What's up, man? What's up, man? Say what's up.
What's up, bro?
Dude, I did not expect to see a hustle and grind banner out here.
Hey, man, I hear you up last time.
Woo! You're the first person to give me a nod.
Is the man right here.
First for
He's
nod.
about to take this car down Express Rally.
Oh
Boy,
shit!
Mike.
Oh shit!
Don't
Cheers!
mess with that.
Cheers! Woo! No, do it, man. Do it. It's a hustle. It's the grind. God damn. Julian, what's your Instagram?
Julian J 139.
Are you gonna start YouTube finally?
Yes, yes.
I've
2
been
years
telling
in.
this guy.
This dude has been on my ass for 2 years. Yes, bro. Yes, Julian J 139. Look me up. Big black dude.
Big black
I'm out
dude.
here. I'm out here.
I've been telling this guy to start YouTube forever. Hopefully he does it this time with social pressure. Hop in my freaking POS. Love it. Oh my God. My door. Okay, so I've been in Arkansas for a solid 4 or 5 hours, and this place is insane. Express Rally, you guys are next level fun, dude. Seriously.
Damn, guys, that was only Friday of the video, and that's me just flying into Arkansas for the kickoff event. The actual day of Beater Bash which is right now, Saturday. The video you guys are watching is Friday. Saturday's video is insane. The amount of accidents I got into was probably over 20. Front hits, rear hits, and T-bones. It's crazy. If you guys want to check out more, follow Express Rally on Instagram. It is crazy right now. But I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Peace.